Let us see. If I do jihad, Allah forgive my sin, but what will happen to me? You believe it or not, I will become a parrot. What they call it, parrot, the green bird. Hold on, let me see. What they call this green bird, parrot. Here we go. You want to see how you will look like if you are Osama bin Laden, brother? Believe it or not, it will look like this. This is what will happen to the mujahideen of ISIS in the heaven of Allah. Allah forgive your sin and he make you a green bird. But I have a problem with this. What I will do with the 70 versions, how I'm going to have boom 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 with them. Am I going to use my peak? So Allah promised me if I die for Allah and do jihad, he will give me a lot of versions. Each one of them, her ass is 1 mile. And now I am a bird. Question: what I will do next? Any Muhammadan have an idea? I am a bird, but now there is a beautiful women in the bed and they are naked. What I will do? Is that something called peak sex? Something we are not familiar with yet? Ticklish sex? Take a peek? What's wrong with this man? I die for Allah and I kill the infidels for him, and then he make me a green bird. Am I a green bird? What about, what's wrong? What if why he don't make me a blue? What's wrong with the blue? Look how beautiful this blue bird is. Cute. Women, they will love you more. Do we have any Muslim there in the bushes? Let us read. We ask Abdullah about the Quranic verses, etc. Blah 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 blah. We ask the meaning of this verse to the Holy Prophet, who said, the Prophet is explaining the Quran, brother. Please stand up and show respect. When the Prophet, he is speaking, everybody stand up. Otherwise, he will send you the mujahideen, the peacemaker. He said, who he said? Muhammad, not me. Don't blame me. I know you Muslims. I know you. I know you. He said, the soul of the martyrs live in the bodies of a green bird. See? I told you. Who have their nest. I am Osama bin Laden, and right now I am in my nest. Unbelievable. I wanna guys, after I finish with you, I will go to my nest. Sorry. Unbelievable. I'm going to die from a heart attack from laughing because of this stupid cult. Let me drink something. And guys, each time I read those stuff, I feel like I'm reading it for the first time. It's funny like hell, as if I just saw it. Look at this. So now Muhammad is promising you a lot of virgins, each one of them her ass is 1 mile, and now you are a green bird and you have a nest. Here we go. I became a murderer for Allah, and this is how I will talk. I will talk to my wives now, and I'm going to invite them to my nest. Take off your panties. Alhamdulillah, I just said Shahada in the bird language. Which is this? This is what Islam is about. So you give us headache 24 hours, convert to Islam, do jihad for Allah, fight for Allah. So you go, you suicide yourself, you became pieces, and now Allah will make you a chicken, a greeny chicken.